This first clip is shot handheld, and only uses the GoPro Hero9's built-in HyperSmooth electronic image stabilization. Set to high, with horizon leveling turned on. Stabilization is good, but the camera gets a little confused when going down the spiral staircase. This is a real torture test for any handheld camera. The second clip is shot using a gimbal, without using the GoPro Hero9's built-in HyperSmooth stabilization. It gives the least satisfactory result among these test clips and struggles with the stairs. This is the same gimbal stabilized clip you just saw, but processed with ReelSteady Go software. The stabilization quality is excellent throughout. Now, we look at what happens if you combine HyperSmooth stabilization with the gimbal. The advantage here is you get a 4K, 60Hz clip with linear projection that's very stable, handles the stairs just fine, with no need for post-processing. Although this clip is limited to a 30Hz frame rate by the camera, the combination of the gimbal and ReelSteady processing, along with the expanded field of view that's provided by the 4:3 ratio 4K capture, makes this the best looking clip of the bunch. No issues with the spiral stairs here. Now we look at a clip shot on a GoPro Hero9 Black, using the same 4K, 4:3 ratio, 30Hz settings, as the previous clip. The camera is mounted on the GoPro Karma Grip gimbal, and also processed in ReelSteady Go. The final clip in this comparison was shot with the Hero9 Black, in 4K 60Hz wide mode, using the GoPro Karma Grip gimbal. It was then processed in ReelSteady Go. The catch to this approach is you either wind up with a wider aspect ratio that results in letterbox bars, or else you lose some resolution due to cropping. For this example, the video was cropped to fill the 16:9 aspect ratio of UHD 4K video. The resulting clip is not quite true 4K, and you wind up with a tighter crop versus the 4:3 ratio, 30Hz video that preceded. But you gain 60Hz motion, and the quality, overall, is very high.